The neighborhood is filled with towering trees and serene picturesque environment.
Has been recently renovated with a classy design,
totaling nearly 9,000 square feet of land. In Mississauga, there's a unique neighborhood, Mineola. It is a hidden gem where nature meets urban convenience. The neighborhood is filled with towering trees and serene picturesque environment, like an oasis away from the hustle and bustle. Mineola is renowned for its abundant greenery and spacious lots, making it a popular choice for upper middle class families. I'm Pris Han, your trusted Toronto realtor. Today's newest listing, 268 Mineola Road East, is located in this leafy neighborhood. During the development of this community, great efforts were taken to preserve the original mature trees and natural topography. Many of the lots here have been replaced with luxury residences, recognizing the area's potential for appreciation. While Mineola offers a peaceful retreat, it's also conveniently located near all the amenities you could desire. A short stroll takes you to the charming Port Credit Village, and a quick drive brings you to the heart of Mississauga at Square One. For those craving Asian cuisine, T&T Supermarket is less than 7 kilometers away. The community is mature and stable, with long-time residents who take great care in maintaining their homes and landscaping. The front and backyard are designed with elegance and beauty. According to Prism segment, the community is categorized as multicultural corner, ranking 18th out of the 67 levels. Residents have above average education and income levels, and the balanced ethnic distribution fosters mutual tolerance and flourishing multicultural environment, making for harmonious neighborhood relations.
The surrounding community is still lush and expansive. Just 6 kilometers away from us is Jack Darling Memorial Park, a wetland by Lake Ontario. The scenery is not only captivating with its beaches, trails, and intersecting streams, but the precious natural environment also provides a habitat for many small animals, an ideal place for nature lovers to enjoy leisurely walk all year round or a lakeside picnic. In fact, there are 3 other waterfront parks along the way to Jack Darling, each more stunning than the last.
Our featured property is a typical Mineola living, with generous 56-foot frontage and a depth of 160 feet, totaling nearly 9,000 square feet of land. If you have a passion for gardening, this is perfect space for you. The expansive yard also provides great privacy. But the real excitement is inside the home. Let's take a look at 268 Mineola Road East. Join me for a private early access open house at 268 Mineola Road East on Saturday, August 31st from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Be the first to see it with this fans-only exclusive open house. Beat out other buyers. Without further ado, let's take a peek inside.
Now about our front yard. From here, you can see that we are surrounded by greenery, providing great privacy. To my left, there is a tall, decades-old sturdy maple tree, and on my right, there is a cedar tree. As we walk up to the house, you'll notice that both sides of the path leading up to the porch are lined with flowers and shrubs, and this is our lovely front porch. Now, stepping inside the house, immediately you can tell that this house has been recently renovated with a classy design. Behind me is the front door, which you can see has been updated and equipped with a smart lock. It informs you of people entering and leaving, enhancing the homeowner's security. Walking 2 steps forward from the short hallway brings us to a branching point. To my left is our living and dining area, and to my right is the kitchen and breakfast area. Let's take a look at the living room first. Now, I'm standing at the junction of our living and dining areas. This is an open concept layout, giving the space a very spacious and comfortable feeling. The highlight of our living room is this bay window. Since our front yard is beautifully landscaped, sitting here allows you to fully enjoy the view of our lovely front yard on a nice day. Adjacent to our living room is our formal dining room, which is also quite spacious. As you can see, we have placed an 8-person table here, and there's still plenty of room for sideboard or small decorated items. The entire open concept living and dining area gives a very cozy feeling. Directly across the dining room is our kitchen and breakfast area. This space is also very expansive. I am now standing at the junction of our kitchen, which has a C-shaped kitchen with tons of countertop space and plenty of storage cabinets above and below. The cabinets are seamlessly integrated on all 3 sides. Moving forward, we reach our breakfast area. It is directly opposite the living room, and like the living room, it has great view of the front yard when the curtains are open. One of the highlights of the kitchen is its custom-made cabinetry and extends from the area I was standing in all the way over to the section integrated with our fridge. The style is very vintage, and if you appreciate homes with classical charm, this will perfectly complement that. This is a back-split detached home, the main living spaces that the whole family uses most often, including the living room, dining room, and kitchen, are all on this main floor. Where I am standing now, the split-level design begins. The upper level is our master bedroom is located, and the lower level offers more entertainment space. Next, we'll head up to check out the master bedroom area. Now, this is the upper level, which is the bedroom area. Upon reaching the top, there's a landing area connecting the rooms. And this space is quite wide, so the rooms don't feel crammed together. To my right is the bathroom. It's a full washroom, equipped with both a shower and a bathtub, and it has double sinks. It definitely comes in handy in the morning when everyone is in a rush to get to work. There are 3 bedrooms on this level, all of which are quite spacious. I am now standing between 2 of the secondary bedrooms. The one on my left is about 180 square feet, with enough space for a king-size bed and plenty of room on both sides for nightstands. The area in front of the bed is also large enough for a desk or vanity, making it a small study area. The room on my right has a side window that allows in a lot of light and is also quite spacious, about 120 square feet. Next, we will look at the master bedroom, which is not only very spacious but also features a king-sized bed with integrated bedside tables. To the right is the master ensuite, which, although relatively small, is a full washroom with its own shower. The biggest highlight of the master bedroom is the walkout balcony behind me. You can directly step out from the master bedroom onto this deck balcony, which is adorable. It is at least 3 to 4 meters long and about 1.5 meters wide. So on a nice day like today, I can step out, sit in my lounge chair, and enjoy the view of my beautiful backyard. Now let's go down to the lower part of the back split. The lower part also has a landing area connecting the various function areas. On my right is the laundry room with a separate washer, dryer, and a sink with ample of storage space. On my left is a study room with a window, making it possible to convert this room into another bedroom if needed. Moving forward, we come to the powder room on the ground floor, which is quite large and has a window, adding a nice touch. This makes the use of the main living space on the lower level very convenient. Finally, we reach our integrated basement activity space. The primary activity space on this level is where I'm standing now. One side serves as a family room and the other as an activity area. The fireplace behind me makes the family room's location. This area is very spacious, both in width and length, making it very comfortable. I call it the lower level because it is actually completely above the ground with a walkout to the backyard. The current owners have set up one side as an entertainment area with a screen and a 3-seater sofa and an armchair. The other side can also accommodate a sofa, along with a work desk or some cherished items. Now, let's take a look at the beautiful walkout backyard. Finally, we've arrived at my favorite part of this property, the charming and spacious backyard. As mentioned earlier, because of the depth of our land, the entire yard is a full 160 feet deep and 56 feet wide. So as you can see, this backyard is very, very large. The previous owner had already planned the design of the yard, so you can see that the greenery, flowers, and shrubs are organized into different areas. Of course, the new owner gets to plant all of their favorite flowers in this huge lot, whether it's lupines or honeysuckles or hibiscus. Personally, I really like peonies, and I think this area with its excellent sunlight has plenty of space for you to replant and plant your favorite flowers. Besides that, if we look back, we can see the balcony from the master bedroom we mentioned earlier, so you can imagine from the master bedroom gazing out at this beautifully planned backyard. Wouldn't that just brighten your day?